Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Flow, where learning English is easy, fun, and relaxing. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. And hello to all our wonderful friends listening at home or on the go. It is a beautiful day to practice English together.
It really is, Kevin. I am feeling very relaxed today. How are you?
I am doing fantastic, thank you. I have my hot tea, I am sitting in my favorite chair, and I am ready to chat.
That sounds perfect. I am happy to hear that.
And Emma, before we start our conversation, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button. It is a small click for you, but it makes us very happy.
Exactly. And please subscribe to English Daily Flow. We want you to join our family.
Yes. Okay, Kevin, at the start of the video, you looked very upset. You were holding a giant dictionary.
Yes, it was heavy. My arms are tired.
Why were you trying to read a dictionary?
Because, Emma, I want to be fluent.
Okay.
And I thought, to be fluent, I must know all the difficult words, like ubiquitous and magnanimous.
Kevin, those are beautiful words, but do you know how often I use them?
Every day?
Maybe once a year.
Really? Only once a year?
Yes, most native speakers do not use complex vocabulary in daily life.
But they speak so fast. They sound so smart.
They sound smart because they are clear, not because they use big words.
So I don't need to memorize the dictionary.
Absolutely not. Today, we are going to talk about fluency without big vocabulary.
This is my dream topic because my memory is terrible.
I will show you how to use the simple words you already know to speak like a pro.
I am ready. Teach me the magic.
The first secret is the power of multi-use words.
Multi-use. That means words that have many jobs.
Yes, there are some superverbs in English. If you know them, you don't need difficult verbs.
Can you give me an example?
Let's look at the verb get.
Get. It is a tiny word, G-E-T.
Yes, but it is a superhero. It replaces hundreds of difficult words.
Really? Prove it.
Okay, imagine you want to say, I received an email. Received is a formal word. What can you say with get?
I got an email.
Exactly. Now, imagine you want to say, I arrived home at 6 p.m. Arrive is a nice word, but what do we usually say?
I got home at 6 p.m.
Correct. Now, imagine you want to say, I became tired.
I got tired.
And finally, I understand the lesson.
I get it.
See? You used get for receive, arrive, become, and understand.
Wow. One word did the work of 4 words.
Exactly. This is why native speakers sound fluent. We use simple tools effectively.
So I should focus on mastering these superverbs like get, take, have, and do.
Yes, if you know these well, you can say almost anything.
That is a relief. Relief, a feeling of happiness when stress stops.
Yes. Now, are you ready for secret number 2?
Yes, what is it?
Secret number 2 is don't translate, describe.
Describe.
Yes. Kevin, what happens when you forget a difficult word in a conversation?
I panic. I stop talking. I freeze. Blue screen of death.
That kills your fluency.
But if I don't know the word, what can I do?
You must paraphrase.
Paraphrase. That means to explain the same idea using different words.
Yes. Imagine you are in a restaurant. You want what is the thing we use to wipe our mouth?
A napkin.
Yes, a napkin. But imagine you forgot the word napkin.
Okay, I forgot it. I'm panicking.
Don't panic. Describe it. Use simple words.
Excuse me, can I have the paper from my mouth?
Perfect. Did the waiter understand?
Yes, he knows what paper for mouth means.
Then you are fluent.
But I sound like a child. Paper for mouth.
No, you sound like a communicator.
Communicator. Someone who shares ideas clearly.
Yes, it's better to say paper for mouth immediately than to sit silently for 2 minutes trying to remember napkin.
That is true. Silence is awkward. Paper for mouth gets me the napkin.
Let's try another one. Imagine you forget the word umbrella.
Okay, it is raining. I need the thing for the rain.
Good. Or
The roof for my hand.
the roof for my hand. That's creative, and I understand you perfectly.
So I don't need the exact word, I just need to describe the function.
Exactly. Use words like the thing that, the person who, the place where.
The place where we buy food. Supermarket.
The person who fixes cars. Mechanic.
This is fun. It is like a game.
It is, and it makes you unstoppable because you never get stuck.
I feel powerful. What is secret number 3?
Secret number 3 is use linking words to connect simple sentences.
Linking words. Like chains?
Yes, words like so, because, but, and.
These are baby words.
They are simple, but they create flow.
Flow. Moving smoothly like water.
Yes, listen to this, Kevin. I will speak without linking words. Tell me how it sounds.
Okay, I'm listening.
I woke up. I was tired. I drank coffee. I went to work.
It sounds like a robot. Beep boop. It is choppy.
Choppy, not smooth. Now listen to this. I will use the same simple words, but I will add linkers.
Okay.
I woke up, but I was tired. So I drank coffee, and then I went to work.
Wow, that sounds completely different. It sounds like a story.
Did I use any big vocabulary?
No, just but, so, and.
Exactly. These small words glue your sentences together. They make you sound fluent.
I need to use so more often. I love so.
So is magical. It was raining, so I stayed home.
I was hungry, so I ate a pizza.
Perfect. You are fluent.
This is amazing. I thought fluency was about being a walking dictionary, but it's actually about being a builder.
Builder. Yes, you build bridges between ideas.
Okay, multi-use words, paraphrasing, linking words. Is there one more secret?
Yes, secret number 4. This is about collocations.
Collocations. That sounds like a big word. C-O-L-L-O.
Don't worry about the spelling. It just means word friends.
Word friends? Words have friends?
Yes, some words like to stay together. If you use them together, you sound natural.
Give me an example of word friends.
Take the word mistake. Do we say do a mistake or make a mistake?
We say make a mistake.
Correct. Make and mistake are friends. If you say do a mistake, people will understand, but it sounds strange.
It sounds foreign.
Yes, learning these pairs is better than learning rare words.
Another example?
Take shower. Do we make a shower?
No, we take a shower or have a shower.
Exactly. Take and shower are friends.
How do I learn these friends?
You learn them by listening. When you listen to this podcast, notice which words go together.
I noticed you said fast food. You didn't say quick food.
Exactly. Fast and food are friends. Quick and food are strangers.
This is very helpful. I don't need new words. I just need to know which old words hold hands.
That is a beautiful way to say it, Kevin. Words holding hands.
So, Emma, can we do a quick role play?
Sure.
I will try to tell you about my weekend using simple words, linking words, and no dictionary.
Go ahead.
Okay. On Saturday, I got up late. Used get.
Good.
I wanted to go to the park, but it was raining. Used but.
Excellent flow.
So, I went to the place where we watch movies. Paraphrasing cinema.
I understand. The cinema.
Yes, and I had a good time. Collocation.
Kevin, that was perfect.
Really? It didn't sound simple?
It sounded clear, natural, and fluent. I understood everything perfectly.
I feel so much lighter. I can put this heavy dictionary back on the shelf.
You can use it as a doorstop.
Ideally, yes.
So, Emma, let's recap for our listeners.
1. Use superverbs like get. They do everything.
2. Paraphrase. If you forget a word, describe it. The thing for the rain.
3. Use linkers. So, but, and. They are the glue.
4. Learn word friends. Take a shower, not make a shower.
If we do this, we don't need big words?
No, you can speak about philosophy, love, and life with the top 1,000 words.
That gives me so much confidence.
Confidence. That is the most important vocabulary word.
Now we have a question for our listeners.
Yes, we want to challenge you.
Tell us in the comments, can you describe an object without naming it?
Pick an object, like a car, a phone, or a dog, and describe it using simple words.
For example, it is the animal that says woof.
Write your description below, and we will guess what it is.
Let's play the guessing game in the comments.
And please, if this episode helped you feel better about your English, share it with a friend.
Thank you so much for listening. You are doing great.
Keep it simple, keep it fluent.
Have a wonderful day. See you next time.
Goodbye.